Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways because I need to establish some context here. And the context is a very, very nice movement. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price opened up and was all the way down there, but managed to work its way all the way up there. Any rational person would say, all right, yeah, that's certainly been a great move, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? And I've talked about this before. There's been plenty of upwards movements, but then things just roll back over. But yeah, you got to give credit where credit's due. Very nice movement, but is there any sort of true power behind it? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves on this area at $11.35 moving forward. Why is that level important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price comes down to that level and then just continues on down. What would that be doing to the price at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. You envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And once again, in this situation, quote-unquote, progress being defined as 1135. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, public enemy number one headed into next week going to be right up there around $12.25. So $12.25. Public enemy number one, key roadblock that'll need to be cleared. But all in all, any angle you look at things, very impressive bounce today. Nice upwards movement. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum next week. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.